Welcome to COTI-X, a currency exchange and gateway to the COTI network. Today I'll give a tour of COTI-X and some tutorials on depositing, withdrawing, buying, and selling. I'll first show you how to deposit fiat and crypto on COTI-X. To begin, head over to COTI-X.io and log in. If you don't have an account, then you can create one by clicking on Register. After you create your account and/or log in, then you'll be brought to your COTI-X account overview. Here, you'll be able to see your wallets and balances. I'll be showing how to deposit and withdraw Ethereum, but it's the same process for any other crypto. First, I'll show how to deposit. Click on the Deposit button to the right of your Ethereum wallet. This will display your Ethereum wallet address. Click on Copy, and then head over to where you're sending your Ethereum from. For demonstration purposes, I'll be sending it from my Coinbase account. After logging into Coinbase or the location you're sending your Ethereum from, click on Accounts, and then find your Ethereum wallet. Click on Send and paste the COTI-X Ethereum wallet address you just copied a moment ago. Enter the amount you'd like to send and then click Continue. Review the transaction, enter your two-factor authentication code, and click on Send. Wait a few minutes for the transaction to go through and then go back to your COTI-X account. You should see that you now have new funds in your wallet. Now let's go through the process of sending our COTI-X funds to a different wallet. For this demonstration, I'll show you on how to send Ethereum from COTI-X to Coinbase, but the process is the same for all other cryptos. Log back into Coinbase, click on Accounts, and then next to Ethereum, click on Receive. Click on Show Address, Copy, and then head back to your COTI-X account. This time, we're going to click on Withdraw next to our Ethereum wallet. Enter the amount you would like to send, the address you just copied from Coinbase, and then click on Process Withdraw, and you're done. In order to deposit fiat, click on the Deposit button next to any fiat currency, such as USD, and it will show the deposit ticket pop-up, in which the user should enter his or her name and the amount he or she wishes to deposit. The allowed deposit is currently in the range of 100 to 10,000 in USD, euros, or pounds. Clicking on the Deposit button will display a confirmation pop-up with deposit information and bank account details. To withdraw fiat, click on Withdraw next to the fiat you would like to withdraw. Fill in the desired withdrawal amount and enter your bank account details. Double check that the information is correct and then click on Withdraw. Now I'm going to show you how to buy and sell crypto fiat pairs. After opening up and logging into COTI-X.io, click on the Buy Sell button. This brings you to the Buy Sell page, which lets you buy and sell various crypto and fiat pairs such as Ethereum Bitcoin, Bitcoin USD, and Ethereum USD, as well as a few others. For this demonstration, I'll be showing you how to buy and sell using Ethereum USD trading pair. In order to buy Ethereum, click on Buy, select the Ethereum USD trading pair, and then select an option for purchasing. Clicking on the Buy Now button under a predefined amount will display the following confirmation pop-up, and clicking on the Place Buy Order button will execute it. We can see our total amount in our account is now updated. Heading back over to the Buy Sell page, if we click on Buy Now under Custom Amount, it will execute an order immediately if applicable. Once an order is executed, the user's balance will be updated. The same things apply for selling. Just select Sell, the desired pair, and then the amount you'd like to sell. Predefined amounts will lead to a confirmation screen. Once again, we can see our updated balance under Accounts. If you use the Custom Amount function, clicking on Sell Now will execute the order immediately. You can see our updated balance under Accounts. The last tab on COTI-X is Settings. The Settings section has the option to enable or disable two-factor authentication. Clicking on the two-factor authentication switch will open instructions. And that's it. If you have questions or want to stay connected, please check out our community on Telegram or contact us via email. Thank you and have a great day.